Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Blue Cross Blue Shield step by step clearly. To connect with Blue Cross Blue Shield, start by visiting their official website. On the home page, look for the Contact Us section, usually found at the bottom of the page. Click on the Contact Us link to access various communication options. You may choose to call their customer service number, which is typically listed prominently. For specific inquiries, check if they provide local or state-specific contact numbers. If you prefer online communication, find the option for live chat or email support. Click on the live chat button if available, and wait for a representative to assist you. To use email support, fill out the contact form provided with your details and inquiry. Ensure you include your member ID. If you need help with claims or coverage questions, look for specific sections related to those topics. For administrative issues, check if there are dedicated resources or contacts available. If you are looking for a specific provider or network information, search for the provider directory on their website. You can also log into your member account for personalized assistance and resources. Once logged in, you can access benefits information, manage your account, or contact support. If you encounter issues navigating the website, find the FAQs for common questions. Remember to keep your member ID and personal information handy during your interaction. Take note of any reference numbers provided during your communication for future follow-ups. After obtaining the information you need, consider noting down useful resources or contacts for future reference. Now you're ready to effectively connect with Blue Cross Blue Shield. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.